A warm welcome to all of you to this bittersweet occasion, our much awaited farewell party. I am your host Kirtana.
And I, Chakrita, want to make tonight's event a memorable journey filled with laughter and abundance of fun.
Girls and boys, teachers and all, we welcome you to the Grand Wigma 2025. Don't be dismayed by goodbyes. A farewell is necessary just before you can meet again.
I would like to stretch a warm welcome to our wonderful directors Vinod Rao sir and Anukar Rao sir, incredible principal Balaji sir, coordinators, all teaching and non-teaching staff, 10th graders and all my dear friends.
Dear all juniors are feeling very sad that how difficult it is to bid farewell to our seniors today. But it is the law of nature that everyone has to go. So today is not the day to wipe, instead to celebrate.
That is why we are here to celebrate this a memorable one for all of you lovely people.
Now I would like to call upon all the dignitaries onto the dais for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony amidst chanting the divine slokas by the students of grade 9. I would like to call upon my friend Amiteshwar for the prayer. I request everybody to please raise in your places.
महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं महदेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महदेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवानमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महगणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम्.
That's really beautiful. As we bid farewell, we all understand that it's a time of mixed emotions. Dear all, you all know that we gathered here to celebrate the farewell, and we juniors have some special messages to convey to you all. So, on the behalf of entire 9th grade, here are my friends Vignata and Sampriti with a welcome speech. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Director, dearest Principal Balaji sir, talented coordinators, praiseworthy teaching and non-teaching staff, today's special guests of our program are Class 10 seniors and my dearest fellow friends. A glorious evening to one and all. Today, I stand before you with a heart full mixed emotions. Sad because you are leaving. Excited for the new journeys you are about to embark upon. When I look back, it's hard to believe how quickly time has flown. It feels like just yesterday you were all the wide-eyed newcomers and today you are ready to leave the school. Let me help you in recalling some memories. Those free games period, shared lunch boxes, eating snacks in evening classes, those surprise tests, testing the patience of teachers, FF book completions, PBL works, house assembly preparations, small trips to 3 days long excursions, gossips and small silly fights. All those moments will not come back again. I'm sure you'll miss these school days, friends, teachers, and the memories you have made all these years. To our dear class 10 brothers and sisters, you have been more than just seniors. You have made us understand what it takes to be a hardworking student. The times you helped all of us, the bond you nurtured with us will be cherished at the end of the day. As you prepare to step into the world beyond the school gates, always remember the lessons you have learned, the friendships you have forged, and the countless moments that shaped you into the remarkable individuals that you are today. We'll miss your presence in the corridors and classrooms. And also, we are excited to see the paths you'll carve out in the world. On behalf of Class 9, I want to extend our heartfelt gratitude for being such amazing seniors. As you venture into new horizons, always remember that you'll have a group of juniors cheering you on and reminiscing about the good times that we all had together. Thank you, and may your journey ahead be filled with success, happiness, and all the adventures you have ever dreamed of. Over to my friend.
ఇంతవరకు ఇంగ్లీష్లో విన్నారు కదా. ఇప్పుడు మీ గురించి మాకు తెలిసిన కొన్ని విషయాలను మీతో పంచుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. మన గురించి ఇతరులు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారో తెలుసుకోవాలని ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఉంటుంది కదా. అయితే ఉపాధ్యాయులు మీ ముందర ఎలా ఉంటారో మాకు తెలియదు, కానీ మా ముందర మాత్రం, మా క్లాస్లో మాత్రం ఎప్పుడూ మీ గురించి గొప్పగానే చెప్తుండేవారు. 10th క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పటి నుండి ఇప్పటి వరకు మీలో క్రమానుసారంగా వస్తున్న మార్పులను, క్రమశిక్షణను, కష్టపడుతున్న తత్వాన్ని, సాధిస్తున్న ఫలితాలను ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మాతో చెప్పేవారు, మమ్మల్ని ప్రేరేపించేవారు. ఉలి దెబ్బలకు భయపడితే శిల్పం కాలేదు అన్నట్టుగా కష్టాలకు ఓర్చుకోకపోతే ఉత్తమ విద్యార్థులం కాలేము అని నిరూపించారు మీరు. కాబట్టి మా 9వ తరగతి విద్యార్థుల తరపున మా సీనియర్స్ కోసం ఒక చిన్న కవిత. గురువుల మాటనే వేదంగా భావించే మిమ్మల్ని మించిన గొప్ప శిష్యులెవరు? కొత్త విషయాలను తెలుసుకుంటూ జ్ఞానాన్ని పొందిన మిమ్మల్ని మించిన జిజ్ఞాసులెవరు? పాఠశాలకు క్రమం తప్పకుండా వచ్చి జ్ఞాన సముపార్జన చేసిన మిమ్మల్ని మించిన గొప్ప విద్యార్థులెవరు? సూర్యోదయం నుండి చంద్రోదయం వరకు నిరంతర శ్రద్ధతో చదివి మిమ్మల్ని మించిన కార్యదక్షులెవరు? తల్లిదండ్రుల పేరును, గురువుల పేరును నిలబెట్టడానికి అహర్నిశలు చదివి ఉత్తమ ఫలితాలను సాధించాలని చూస్తున్న మిమ్మల్ని మించిన కృతజ్ఞతాభావం కలిగిన వారెవరు?
మీరు కాక ఇంకెవరు?
కాబట్టి మీరంతా ఒక గొప్ప స్థానంలో ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా, ఎక్కడ చదివినా మన పాఠశాలలో నేర్చుకున్న విలువలను సమాజంలో మీ జీవితాంతం గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని సమాజంలో ఒక మంచి పేరు సంపాదిస్తారని భావిస్తూ మా 9వ తరగతి విద్యార్థుల తరపున మా సీనియర్స్ కోసం ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Wow, that was indeed a beautiful message. Come on, it's time to celebrate this memorable occasion today. So now here comes the wonderful classical dance number, Chakrika, onto the stage. Please give her a big round of applause.
శుభము శుభము సాహిత్యవోలకు శుభము శుభము సంగీత విదులకు శుభము శుభము నాట్యానుమోదులకు శుభము శుభము సర్వజనాళికి శుభము శుభము నాట్యానుమోదులకు శుభము శుభము సర్వజనాళికి బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవను
What a fantastic performance! Give her a big round of applause. Farewell doesn't make sense if we aren't guided properly as we leave the premises of our school. Girls and boys, please help me in inviting a man of ethics and amazing initiatives. Please put your hands together in inviting the Campus Head family head, Mr. Balaji sir, for a speech.
Dear students, I think you are busy with your friends. I know your emotions and excitements. But we have given that time also, that slot. So, the performances, 9th graders wants to go for performing. Wait till that time. Have a patience. So, I will take few minutes of time. I don't take much time because I know what is the specialty of this day. Respected Chairman sir, respected Director Vinod Rao sir and Anukar Rao sir, and my dear coordinator Srinath sir, and the entire team of Campus Edge, and my dearest students. Once you remember when your junior 10th grade classes started in the month of March last year. New excitement, new books, everything is new. So, when it is going slowly, end of the April month, all are planning for next year, 10th class, promising yourself, and also thinking about how to get 10 GPAs, how should be in the classroom. You shared all these things with the teachers. Again, you recall your words which you shared with your friends and your teachers. Just you recall that memories, that days. Still you have more time. Every day I am coming to your classrooms in zero period and giving some messages, some things, scoldings in the form of scoldings, a little bit punishments. That gives a good bonding between teacher and student. If there is no speeches, no little bit punishments, you cannot say he is my teacher, she is my teacher. Because in your life or in my life, we should give to two important parties. One is family, parents. The second one is school, teachers. You never ever forget all these things. These two are very important. When you understand, this is the age to go for your emotions with your friends. But when you become at the age of your father, your mother, then you can understand about the feelings of your mother and father when they treated. So these are the things are there. I am not giving any message on this day. Just I want to share, because this is a great opportunity for me also on this stage. I want to share my ideas with you. Don't forget their services, because in the PTMs, in every PTM, I observe the parents comes, that interact with the teachers. The way they approach is different from one parent to another parent. Some may be aggressive, some may be very nice, polite manner, but they never ever say about their kids, sir, please take care of my kid. Still she has to improve. Again, if you see from the teacher side also, they never said about the student. Again they will say that కొంచెం మీరు ఇంట్లో కేర్ తీసుకోవాలి. పూజ అండ్ స్నిగ్ధ, I will give time, don't worry. Because you have very special things are there, wait. So they never ever complained about their kids, and also the teachers also never ever complained at their kids. The teachers are telling to parents, the parents are telling to teachers. See, understand their love towards your growth, your life. Sometimes both the parties are quarreling each other. Sometimes they are fighting literally. But after they are coming to conclude that either in the cabin of principal or somewhere with the coordinator, sir, how to improve this kid? So then assurances are there, time, please have a patience. So here, because of you, the teachers and parents are improving their patience levels. So my dear students, always be gratitude with the services of your teachers from nursery onwards and your parents, because you cannot recognize their services. I will tell you, if the Reserve Bank wants to release the currency to circulate in the country, before printing, compulsory they should maintain gold or foreign exchange. Without that, they cannot release. That is a great support. If continuously you are printing the currency and circulate, then the economy totally, it will be disturbed. It disturbs the economy of India. So compulsory they should have some support, equal balance. Here also in your life, whatever the step you are taking in your career, for your life, that support gold, foreign currency, which you cannot see at present, are your parents and your teachers. And your friends also will be added, but you should filter your friends. So thank you very much for the arrangements taken by your 9th grade students, because today you are the guests. They are providing, they are the hosts. They made all the arrangements with the support of their class teachers. So presence, your presence here create a festive environment. This is a celebration. Your celebration only for the 10th grader celebration with the support of 9th graders. So all the best and God bless you.
Wow, sir, that was so thoughtful. Your words inspire us and motivate us every day. Thank you.
School is a building of memories, and every moment spent here is a treasure. What do you say, Ananya?
Yeah, I agree, Ifra.
So, for the last time, I call upon the students of 10th Aryabhatta to share their experience.
Finally, the day we have all been waiting for.
Today marks an important milestone in our journey as we stand on the doorstep of leaving behind the familiar halls of our school, where we have spent years growing, learning, and creating memories together. 10th grade was like a roller coaster of emotions. We had many memories filled with happiness and joy. This is the phase where we have take big decisions which define our future. We shared laughter, struggles, victories, and even challenges.
From late night study hours to celebrating small victories, each moment shapes us into who we are today. We have traveled through troughs and crests and faced whatever life brought us. We have made number of memories, unforgettable fights, which made our bond even stronger. Events that we have celebrated brought joy to our school life. We had so many topics to talk, such as RCB versus CSK matches, Instagram reels, class gossips, fights, food fests, gatherings, study hours, snacks, class games, and so on.
మనకు తెలిసినట్టే చదువు తప్పి అన్ని టాపిక్స్ వచ్చేవి. ఫేర్వెల్ రోజు చాలామంది సీనియర్స్ని ఏడవడం చూసాము. అప్పుడు మేము అనుకునేటోళ్ళం వీళ్ళు ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నారని. కానీ ఇప్పుడు మాకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఈ స్కూల్ లైఫ్ని వదిలి వెళ్ళడం ఎంత కష్టమో. మేము ఈ విషయాన్ని రియలైజ్ అయ్యే లోపల మా స్కూల్ లైఫ్ ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ స్కూల్ని, ఈ మెమొరీస్ని, మేము స్పెండ్ చేసిన టైంని మేము ఎప్పటికీ మర్చిపోలేము.
But this farewell is not the end. It is the beginning of new adventures, new challenges, and new friendships. While we say goodbye to our school days, we carry forward these lessons and experiences that will guide us into our future. It's time to say goodbye to our school where we used to spend 11 hours a day. This place was like second home to us. It was an honor to sit through countless classes pretending we were listening and still somehow managed to make it to the end. We survived early mornings, last minute assignments, and also somehow passed grand tests.
To our fellow mates, we all have come a long way. Whether we have been friends since the start or just met, we all have shared something special. The journey ahead of us is uncertain, but one thing is for sure, we are ready to face anything. We have learned the value of hard work and the power as dream. As we prepare for next chapter of our life, let's embrace the opportunities that lie ahead with confidence and courage.
To all the juniors, thank you for encouraging us for passing through our memories. अगर आप किसी चीज़ को सच में चाहते हैं तो पूरी कयानत उसे पाने के लिए, आपकी मदद करने के लिए जुट जाते हैं.
When you really want to achieve something, then nothing matters you except your goals and journey. 10th బోర్డ్ అంటే మన లైఫ్లో మనం కష్టపడి తెచ్చుకునే ఫస్ట్ పర్మనెంట్ సర్టిఫికేట్. సో కష్టపడండి, మాలాగా టైం వేస్ట్ చేయకండి. మీరు రియలైజ్ అయ్యేలోపు మీ ఫేర్వెల్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది.
We have lived making memories, but now we'll have to live in the memories we made. The moments we cried will make us laugh, and the moments we laugh will make us cry. And that's how beautifully our journey goes on. Every aspect of our school life will be the best memory in our life. On this day, last year, we were giving a farewell, but today, we are receiving a farewell. We wonder just how fast the night changed.
I would like to stretch a warm welcome to our most beloved chairman, sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, for this auspicious occasion. Also, we would like to welcome Director Prasanna Madam,
Coordinator Srinath sir,
And Principal Balaji sir.
Telugu Prabhakar sir, Hindi Tiwari sir,
English Rito Joseph sir. Mathematics Sriramurthy sir.
Physics Anjan sir, Chemistry Mahesh sir.
Bio Anita ma'am, Social Srinivas sir.
Thank you.
and to all the juniors.
Thank you all for your guidance, your patience, wisdom, and constant encouragement, which have helped us to navigate the twists and turns of our school life. We know that you will miss our presence, our unforgettable jokes, and our indiscipline.
Life has a funny way of leading us down to new paths, and today marks the end of the chapter and beginning of another. This is a farewell, but not a goodbye. See you all again. Thank you.
That was a nice experience shared by the students of 10th Aryabhata. Wow, give them a huge round of applause.
So now let us welcome the students of 10th Baudayan to share their wonderful experience.
Good evening, Paramita. We, the students of 10th Baudayan, are feeling glad for giving us this opportunity for sharing our view on our school life.
I, Jaitra, is studying in Paramita since my kindergarten.
I, Sri Vaishnavi, is studying in Paramita since my 6th grade.
I, Shrihita, is studying in Paramita since my 6th grade.
I, Sanvita, is studying in Paramita from my 7th grade.
We have had many good memories in our school life like
మాలో మేము నిక్ నేమ్స్ పెట్టుకోవడం,
ప్లేసెస్ చేంజ్ చేయడం, సార్ చూసారని మళ్ళీ మా ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళడం,
ఒకరి మీద ఒకరం చాడీలు చెప్పుకోవడం. ఎన్ని మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్స్ వచ్చినా ఎట్ లాస్ట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్.
ఎన్నిసార్లు మా టీచర్స్ పనిష్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చినా
వాటిని నవ్వుతూ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తాం.
even though after many scoldings, do you think we changed?
అది అవదమ్మా.
But to be honest, later we have changed a lot.
We have learned a lot too by our teachers' motivational words every time.
A huge shout out to our teachers who have tolerated us.
Today is a bittersweet moment as we stand here to bid farewell to our beloved 10th grade journey.
As seniors, we just tell our juniors that క్లాస్లో ఫస్ట్ రావడానికే కాదు, లైఫ్లో ఫస్ట్ రావడానికి కూడా ట్రై చేయండి.
10th క్లాస్ అనేది మనకి ఎన్నో మెమరీస్ని ఇస్తుంది. అవి గుడ్ అవ్వాలా బ్యాడ్ అవ్వాలా అని డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది మనం.
Our parents gave us birth, but teachers taught us how to make it worth.
We thank our parents, teachers and school for giving us lots of memories.
Our special thanks to our dealing teachers, Telugu Mallesham sir,
Hindi Amolak sir,
English Chandrasena sir,
Maths Srinivas sir,
Physics Anjan sir,
Chemistry Swati ma'am,
Biology Shravan sir,
Social Devender sir, Lab Assistant Shravanti ma'am,
and our PETs Swami sir and Tawfiq sir. We never forget the motivation and support of our principal Balaji sir and coordinator Srinath sir.
Our words can't express our gratitude towards our beloved chairman Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu and our dynamic director Anukar Rao Garu.
And at last, it is an end of a nostalgic chapter. Thank you. 10 Baudayan signing off.
We meet and we depart.
we laugh and we leave.
The moments we cried will make us laugh.
And the moments we laugh will make us cry.
Well, that's how unique and beautiful is school life.
So to share their unique experience for one last time, here comes the students of 10th Charak.
Girls, are you enjoying this evening? It's so beautiful. Those dance performance and the memories shared. Everything is so new to me. Dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure in welcoming man of simplicity, unmatchable spirit. A man who is not only a kind person but also an inspiring leader. Among your thundering round of applause, please welcome our most beloved director, Mr. Anukar Rao sir, for a message.
Honorable Chairman Sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, Motherly Figure, Prasuna Ma'am, Directors Vinod Rao Sir, Hanmant Rao Sir, Principals Balaji Sir, Passionate Balaji Sir, Prashant Sir, Kavita Ma'am, Coordinators, 10th Dealing Class Teachers, all the teaching faculty of Campus Edge, physical education teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear boys and students, girls. Before I take it forward, I just want to voice out that this passing out batch of 24-25 10th graders, this is one of the best batches I have seen. You might be doubting, but when I say that, there are reasons for it. And when I say you have come to the fag end of the academic year, so you need to carry the torch for the balance of the days too. the boys and girls sitting over here, we have kids who brought Paramita High School the laurels. Either you name the quiz competitions, either you name TED, you name games and sports. There are many district selections, state selections. There are singers. There are many performers on the drama front to representation at science drama at Bangalore. So likewise, there are many facets of kids who have led from core front and brought a good name for themselves, for the school, and for the parents. So that is the reason why I am saying that till now, yeah, in terms of school life is one where it should have a mixed bag full of things, where we have sorrow, where we make good friendship, where we have humor, where we learn what is good and what is bad. And let me tell you that in the entire, starting from pre-primary to the PG, the highest amount of time one spends is in school. That's why the school memories are always fresh. Even though down the line, 20 years, 30 years from now, when you recollect every moment, every flashback of the school life, it will be fresh. Even though you finish your PG, okay, or a doctorate at a later date, but the memories what you have at this school will always be very, very, very fresh. And children, I mean to say, you all have unique talents and dreams that are waiting to be nurtured. Whether you opt for science stream, math stream, art stream, business, or any other streams, you give your best, you believe in yourself and not compromise. And you don't opt for mediocres. You always aim for the best, because Paramita itself says that the meaning of Paramita itself is, how many know the meaning of Paramita? The highest degree of excellence. So unless and until you aim for the best, you don't give it up. Secondly, remember, success is not always about being perfect. Success is in terms of giving your best. And the positive indication, it only comes with can attitude, but not with cannot attitude. And my favorite quote says, success comes with can, but not with cannot. So always be positive. Stay focused, meet your goals, do hard work, and never ever stop the learning. I wish all the board 10 graders who are going to attempt the final examination, I wish you all the very best. And children, don't treat it as one more serious examination kind of stuff. You have already written pre-final 1, pre-final 2. Treat it as one more pre-final 3 examination and just give your best. I absolutely don't have any doubt in my mind that with the grooming, with the practice, what the experienced and quality teachers had given to each one of you, you are going to come out with flying colors, and you are going to show to the world, to the society, to your parents, to your friends, that what you are capable of. So, without taking much time, the best, I believe that the best is yet to come, and I wish you all the very best for your bright future ahead. good luck, and keep shining. Before I end, I want to appreciate all the grade 9th students for putting up a great show, being the perfect host, and I appreciate the way they brought the invitation, the way they came with creativity. I appreciate them and all the very best. And let's end on a high note. Good night. Thank you.
Hope it will help for our seniors to reach top notch.
So the children who are fasting, please report to the TED Hall. A very important announcement, students who are fasting, please report to TED Hall. Thank you.
And depart. We laugh and we leave. The moments which we cry will make us laugh, and the moments which we laugh will make us cry. Well, that's how unique and beautiful is school life. So to share their unique experience for one last time, here comes the students of 10th Sharak.
Paramita. We are leaving here today with a new wealth of knowledge. We will always cherish studying in this school has been a good learning experience, and we are thankful for the skills we have gained. We feel as if being here with all of you each day has made me a more complete and well-rounded human.
Today we celebrate our last day of school. More than half of our life journey has been spent in this school. Today we say goodbye to it because goodbye is not forever rather than an inescapable.
We don't even understand how the days passed away, and we developed a strong attachment with the school, my teachers and friends. All our mischievous things, silly jokes, fighting, and yet more stupid memorable acts are hidden deep in our hearts. Though our hearts are heavy, adored memories with us, which will be richer deep in our hearts. The memories are pretty countless.
Goodbye is not the end of it, just a manner of saying we miss you. And met again we will. The feeling of having wonderful humans around us is very nice, but the pain of moving away from them is even harder to bear.
It's farewell day, the day we always knew was coming but never really thought about. Looking back, school has been a mix of everything. I'm incredibly grateful for all the memories we have created together. From the fun times during lunch break to stressful last-minute preparations, we have been through it all. And thank you to our teachers for putting up with us and guiding us, even when we probably tested their limits. We will always carry your wisdom and advice with us. Friends are the ones who made this journey special. Whether it was sharing notes, pulling each other to tough times, or just making every day better. We have always been there for each other, and that's truly special. Change is scary, but also exciting. This farewell is not the end. The memories we made, the lessons we learned, and the bonds we formed will always be with us.
We are grateful for all the support and guidance from our teachers who helped us become better students and individuals. I know we did not make it easy for you, but you never gave up on us. And to my amazing friends who made my school life even more special. Thank you for the laughter, memories, and for always being with us each other.
Even though we are heading in different directions, our friendships don't fade with distance. They grow stronger.
We'll miss the school, but we will carry the lessons we have learned here with us. As we step into the next chapter of our life, we hope to make everyone proud. Thank you for the memories and lessons, and goodbye.
We thank all our teachers and for teaching us not only syllabus but also lessons of our life.
That was so moving, right? Sharing school experiences relieve. Memories connect with others, learn from others, develop empathy and inspire others. So without wasting much time, let's invite the students of 10th Shushrut and listen to their beautiful experience.
Directors,
Principal Balaji sir,
Teachers and all my amigos.
A very heavy-hearted evening to all. I, Chaitrini.
hi Ishwar.
I Bhuvana.
I, Agastya, from 10th D.
Today, we stand at a moment of transition from the day where we have cried to come to school.
But today we are crying again for leaving the school.
We feel excited to face new challenges and experience new things in life.
But we also feel sad enough for not being part of our school from tomorrow.
First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our principal sir, teachers, friends, and all the staff members.
Your guidance and encouragement and unwavering support have helped us to shape us into the individuals we are today.
The courage which you gave us and the spirit sessions and the mantras are just the maps of our success.
We worked on it and we promise you that we'll never forget them. Your advices paved a path for our future.
టూ డియర్ కంపానియన్స్, నేను స్పెషల్గా చెప్పక్కర్లేదు అనుకుంటా. బ్రేక్స్లో ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కలవడానికి సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్కి వెళ్ళడం, అది చూసి పీటీ సార్ నన్ను తిట్టడం, ఇదంతా కామనే కానీ
మనం మాత్రం మారిందే లేదు. ఏ ఫ్లోర్లో ఏ కారిడార్స్లో చూసినా టీచర్స్తో ఫ్రెండ్స్తో మేము చేసిన సందడే కనిపిస్తుంది.
కారిడార్స్లోనే కాదు, బెంచ్ కిందకి వెళ్ళి స్నాక్స్ తినడం, దొరికిపోవడం, క్లాస్లో అల్లరి చేయడం, కానీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైంకి కాంపిటీషన్ ఇవ్వడం.
డియర్ జూనియర్స్, మీరు సెల్ఫ్లెస్గా వేరే వాళ్ళు చెప్పే యాక్షన్స్ చేసి రిగ్రెట్ కాకండి. కాంపిటీషన్ ఇచ్చే టైంలో సెల్ఫిష్గానే ఉండాలి.
లెట్ us take a moment to appreciate the bond we share.
We've laughed together.
We've cried together.
And through it all, we've been with each other all along.
Let's promise to stay in touch no matter where life takes us.
This school has not just been a place of education,
but a home.
And it has given us a lot of things.
A place where we have grown,
made memories and built friendships that will last a lifetime.
We are with you. Achieve big, concentrate on your education, which reflects on your future.
Thank you each and everyone for believing in us and supporting us through our thick and thin.
Dear juniors, thank you for making our journey so meaningful.
The affection you shower toward us is unforgettable.
Let's step forward with courage, determination, and positive spirit.
పక్కింటి వారు పక్క స్కూల్ వారు ఇచ్చే ఐడియాస్ని తీసుకొని వినకండి. వారు మీ మార్క్స్ లిస్ట్ని ఖాళీ చేసే ప్రయత్నం కావచ్చు.
కాబట్టి అప్రమత్తంగా ఉండండి. వెంటనే మీ టీచర్స్ అండ్ పేరెంట్స్ యొక్క హెల్ప్ లైన్కి కాల్ చేయండి. మీ ఖాతాను భద్రపరచుకోండి.
We would like to leave you with the thought that the roads ahead may be filled with challenges, but also with opportunities.
Let us step forward with courage, determination, and positive spirit, ready to face whatever comes our way.
The lessons that we have learned here will guide us through higher education and beyond as we chase our dreams and aim for bigger heights.
జూనియర్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, కుర్దే కొట్టాలిరా, శిక్షే కొట్టాలి.
On the day of results, let's all together hit a cover drive as Virat, helicopter shot as Dhoni, which will definitely result in a boundary.
Thank you. Signing off
10th D.
To make this evening more memorable and melodious, I invite the students of 10th Charak to sing a song.
उजड़े से लम्हों को आस तेरी, जख्मी दिलों को है प्यास तेरी, हर धड़कन को तलाश तेरी, तेरा मिलता नहीं है पता, खाली आंखें तुझसे सवाल करे, थमने की चीख बेहाल करे, बहता रहूं फरियाद करे, तेरा मिटता चला है निशान, रूह जम सी गई, वक्त थम सा गया, टूटे ख्वाबों के मंजर पे तेरा जहाँ चल गया. పాదమెటుపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా, అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడురానా, చిన్న ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా, గుండె ప్రతి లయలోన నేను లేనా, ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా, వెంట నడిచే నీడ నీవే. మై ఫ్రెండ్, తడి కన్నులని తుడిచిన స్నేస్తమా, మై ఫ్రెండ్, ఒడి దుడుకులని నిలిచిన స్నేహమా, అల్లుకున్న తీగతో కలుసుకున్న కులం, స్నేహమన్న మాటలో ముచ్చటైన ముగ్గురం, అందమైన జీవితం కలుసుకున్న దోస్తులం, బాధలన్నీ జరినా బెదిరిపోని మిత్రులం, చిన్ననాటి నుండి జ్ఞాపకాలతోనే కట్టుకున్న వంతనే ఏమైంది, తలోనే వాన తాకినట్టు ఈ కాలం కూల్చెనా, మనకు మధ్య దాచుకున్న బాధలంటే లేవు ఇంతవరకు, ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు దాచిపెట్టి ఈ പണിവാണ ഭദ്രാവടകം കൈലേന്തും തമ്പോരട്ടെ നല്ലക്ഷണ തിരുമുഖ ചനകരി കളി തുടങ്ങി അങ്ങനെ പണിവാട ഭദ്രാവടകം കൈലേന്തും തമ്പോരട്ടെ നല്ലക്ഷണ തിരുമുഖ ചനകരി കളി തുടങ്ങി അങ്ങനെ പലിവാല പലിവാല പടിവാട 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 Let me be free.
Thank you. It was a melodious performance that made me emotional. Isn't it, Pinky?
Yes, you are true.
Now, without wasting time, I would like to call upon the students of grade 10 to Ahmed to share that beautiful experience.
All of us. As I stand before you, it's hard to believe that this chapter of our lives is coming to an end. The word school is very precious. On this priceless day, we want to share our memories and feelings which we have shared with our teachers and friends. The memories that we have created here, they are unforgettable. It feels like just yesterday when we entered this school and we were nervous and insecure. But today we are going to live with so many cherished memories, lifelong friendship and valuable lessons. 10th class is a good phase where we had stress with balanced emotions. We have spent years learning not just from textbooks but from each other. Our teachers have been more than just instructors. They were been mentors guiding us through every challenges and helping us to discover our potential. We thank you all for dedication, patience and for believing us in we are doubt ourselves. Our life is fulfilled with so many memories which we can't get back. We have laughed, we have struggled, we have celebrated and we have grown. These years has been filled with moments that will stay with us forever. As we part ways, I hope we carry with us not just the knowledge we gained, but the values of kindness, perseverance and friendship. As much as we hated to study and do all the project works and the assignments that our teachers gave us, we can say it with confidence that they have molded into better students who are ready to take on the challenges of life. Leaving this school doesn't mean goodbye. It's simple the beginning of new chapter. Whenever we go, the lessons we learn are here continues the shape who we are. Let us go forward with courage, enthusiasm and the confidence that we have achieved anything we set our minds to.
The friendship we have formed, the teamwork we have experienced, and the lessons we have learned from both success and failures have shaped us in ways we might not even realize.
To our teachers, thank you for being more than just educators. You have been our mentors, guiding us and sometimes even our friends. You have pushed us to be our best. And when we stumbled, you were always there to help us to get back on our feet. Your lessons went beyond what was in the textbooks, and for what we'll be forever be grateful. You have not only taught us the subjects, but also how to be better. We will carry your wisdom with us into our next chapter of our lives. Next, farewell party. Farewell party is not just to make end of our school life and also not end of our friendships. Let us all promise that farewell day is not the last day of our going to see each other. Let us all promise that we are going to stay in touch with each other no matter what.
The thought that is our last day at school makes us so emotional. As we are nervous, we have spent some of the best moments in school and have learned a lot of things here.
Telugu Kavita madam, Hindi Madhuri madam, English Rito sir, Maths Anjibabu sir, Physics Balswati madam, Chemistry Swati madam, Biology Suchitra madam, Social Devendra sir.
Thank you once again to each other who made this journey unforgettable. I wish all my classmates a very best in their future. So juniors, a small advice from us that balance your studies with enjoyment. And thank you for arranging an unforgettable farewell for all of us.
Thank you.
Thank you. 10th Warhamir.
All these moments made me emotional, thinking one day we'll also leave the school.
Oh, don't be so senti, yaar. We should wish our seniors to all the success.
Oh, what an amazing experience that was. Please give them a huge round of applause. It's time to invite a man without whom this event wouldn't have been possible. It's my pride and honor to welcome him. A man of unwearying optimism and incredibility. The man of challenges, the one of a kind. Our most beloved chairman, Paramita Group of Institutions, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, to deliver his message. Please give him a thundering round of applause.
Boys and girls, good evening. 9th standard boys and girls, today's hosts and outgoing students of this great institution. Our respected Madam Prasoona, Director Anukar Rao, Vinod Rao, Mr. Balaji, all the other leaders, coordinators, teachers, and dear students. I will not take much time, but give me 3-4 minutes in total silence. Just 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, thank you. Because your dances will follow now. I want to speak about 3 things today. Number 1, as you leave this school, this great Paramita High School after your exams, I want you to check your gratitude meter. How grateful are you when you think of your friends? Are you grateful to your friends? Who supported you? Who are with you? Who were with you in thick of the times? When you were crying, they were with you. When you were happy, they were with you. Boys and girls, when you remember all those things and recall today and express and feel that gratitude, then I think today's celebration has a meaning. That's very important. First, your friends, please look into their eyes and be grateful to them for whatever they have done to you. Point number 1. Point number 2, now when you go back home, look into the eyes of your mother and father and be highly grateful to them. 1, for having given you birth. 2, for taking care of you affectionately with care and love. 3, taking care of all the things of your life in the last 15 years. So remain ever grateful to your mother and father. Point number 2. And when you think of, you are thanking all the teachers. If you really believe that your teachers have really done a great job, have really impacted your studentship, appropriated your intelligences, I will now ask all of you, just for 10 seconds, to stand up and thank your parents, friends, and teachers with thunderous claps. May I ask all of you to stand up? So you should now thank your parents, your friends and teachers with at least 9 thunderous claps. Start. Wholeheartedly. Because they gave you everything. They gave you everything. Great. Excellent. Thank you. Please be seated. Be seated. So, if you see an IMA, security, driver, front office, anyone for that matter, show that fragment of gratitude. Today, I feel I'm grateful to many people, to all of you, to everyone. Why? Because I have had an opportunity to be with you. Though for a short time, but I cherish those memories. Now, point number 2. Please remember, what is your realization today? If you feel you have done certain errors in life, certain mistakes, small, big, gross, whatever, this is the time for you to realize that yes, I have done and I want to overcome that. Realize that I have done these mistakes and I shall never ever repeat. That is point number 2. If that realization comes, no matter whatever it is, you are going to be successful. But if you delay that realization, postpone that realization, then that will haunt you in your life. Whatever you have lied, today is the date to realize that I have lied. Today you told the wrong story, this is the day to realize that you told the wrong story. You built some case against someone, today is the day for you to realize that you built a wrong case against someone. So that should be the realization today. Then everything falls in place. And third point, last point. When you go out, and I think today you should create one strong memory chip in your brain, in your heart, strong memory chip. Please listen to me. What is that memory chip? That memory chip will remind you when a problem comes, that memory will tell you, that chip will recall you, tell you that, look, this is your life, you can't afford to spoil. Memory chip will tell you, look, this is your life, come out of the crisis. The chip will tell you, people will lure you, but you have to be careful and cautious. The memory chip will remind you every minute that the whole world is enticing you, attracting you to some bad things, bad company, but your memory chip will tell you, instruct you not to fall into that. If you have that chip installed in your brain today, I think I assure you that your life journey will be tremendous and you will be reaping great benefits of success both in your career and life. So lastly, I want to thank Balaji, coordinators, all the teachers of 10th standard for doing their best to make you improve in each aspect of your studentship in this school. I only wish and pray to God that your life will be blessed, you will be happy, and you will continue to figure out, success in your career in +2 and beyond. But last but not the least, please remember you are a valuable asset in your family. Let that value be double so that your parents will feel proud of giving birth to you. Thank you so much.
For your valuable message. This means a lot. We would like to welcome PLG Principal Kavita Prasad ma'am to this gracious event. Thank you.
Speeches. Are you ready? All throughout now you are hearing the speeches, and first of all, I'm very happy to see you all here, and what a wonderful audience we have. Come on everybody. That's the spirit. Well, so are you ready for some moves? Boys, Sattama Kegala, loudly, yes or no? Girls, fantastic. Well, your juniors have prepared wonderful dance performances. Over to them.
Thank you. That was an amazing piece of advice, isn't it, Fra?
Yes, Aisha.
It's time to begin the performances of the evening. Are you all ready?
Come on, girls and boys, are you all ready for the dance performance?
Now I'm more excited to see our friends' performance.
Yeah, sure. So hold your breath.
Here comes the girls and boys of our class 9 Aryabhatta with an electrifying performance. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग तुमने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग दिल की सुन कमेंट्री यार प्यार की गारंटी यार टंग पर दाड़ा दाड़ी करना न अब नहीं सुधरना वारंटी यार टंग तुमने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार
పొద్దుగాలే బయలెల్లు బోనం ఎత్తి బయలెల్లు గండి మైసికి మొక్కెళ్ళు గాలి మోటారెక్కెళ్ళు పెద్ద పులి లెక్క కొడుతురు మన బస్తాలు కొట్టయిలో నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి లెక్క కొడుతురు మన బస్తాలు కొట్టయిలో అరే పొద్దుగాలే బయలెల్లు బోనం ఎత్తి బయలెల్లు గండి మైసికి మొక్కెళ్ళు గాలి మోటారెక్కెళ్ళు పెద్ద పులి లెక్క కొడుతురు మన బస్తాలు కొట్టయిలో నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి లెక్క కొడుతురు మన బస్తాలు కొట్టయిలో కొట్టి బయలెల్లు సత్రి బట్టి బయలెల్లు దంకాయిస్తూ దఫ్తర్లు కమాయించు డాలర్లు సిటీ కొట్టి బయలెల్లు సత్రి బట్టి బయలెల్లు దంకాయిస్తూ దఫ్తర్లు కమాయించు డాలర్లు పెద్ద పులి సంగట్టేరు చెప్పన దేశం సుట్టేరు నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి సంగట్టేరు చెప్పన దేశం సుట్టేరు యుఎస్ కొలువు నీదైతే లడ్కీలంతా నీ అంటే అయ్యేనాడు నీ పెళ్ళే అన్నీ నీకు అత్తిళ్ళే యుఎస్ కొలువు నీదైతే లడ్కీలంతా నీ అంటే అయ్యేనాడు నీ పెళ్ళే అన్నీ నీకు అత్తిళ్ళే నీకు పెద్ద పులి పట్టం పెడతారు పిల్లనికి పొట్టి పడతారు నీకు పెద్ద పులి పట్టం పెడతారు పిల్లనికి పొట్టి పడతారు
వస్తారా దిన్ అందమా దోస్తి కట్టుకుందామా దలుసుకుందమా హారతులెత్తుకుందమా మెరుపులతలు తెద్దమా మెరుపులెత్తుకుందమా శుభం పాడిపోయి గంటల సుక్కల ఎదురవేద్దమా దోస్తారా దిన్ అరే దోస్తారా దిన్ హే దోస్తారా దిన్ అందమా దోస్తి కట్టుకుందమా ఉత్తరాంధ్ర కోయినెత్తురు మట్టిని ముట్టుకుందమా మళ్ళ తత్తుకుందమా కన్నీళ్లు పెట్టుకుందమా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ శ్రీకాకుళమే మనకు మార్గమందమా దోస్తారా దిన్ హే దోస్తారా దిన్ దోస్తారా దిన్ అందమా దోస్తి కట్టుకుందమా హే కరీంనగర్ కోయి దొరల కడిల కడుపు వెడదామా తాళం పెట్టిన దొరగడీల తలుపు తిరగదందమా దీపం వెంటని కడిల అక్షర దీపం మరమే వెడదామా దోస్తారా దిన్ అరే దోస్తారా దిన్ హే దోస్తారా దిన్ అందమా దోస్తి కట్టుకుందమా
Thank you for the power pack performance. So now let us welcome our friends, the students of 9 Bogara, for the memorable performance.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Boys and girls, put your shoes on. Raise the volume. Let's dance on some mass stuff.
அம்சமா அழகா ஒரு பொண்ணை பார்த்த உடனே பஞ்சரான ஆமாப்பா அம்சமா அழகா ஒரு பொண்ணை பார்த்த உடனே பஞ்சரான அது கண்ணா இல்ல கரண்டா அவ அழக பத்தி பாட இல்ல என் மனசு இனி உனக்கு நீ இருக்கு இடம் எனக்கு
బ్రదర్ ఆపమ్మా ఈ డిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా
సారీ 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 సారీ
झमझम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे पीपनी पे आजा नया स्टेप सीखे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे अपनी फेमस है रात वाली यारियां जाने सारा जहां बेथलपुर माँ सुन ले ओ छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर माँ सुन ले ओ छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया तारी कमरिया सुआच ए चला भी रैप पकड़ने फंकी फीलिंग है क्यों होना जज्बाती जज्बाती क्यों होना जज्बाती छोरे स्वाग वाले छोरिया है नखराती नखरे दिखाती मन की फीलिंग है क्यों होना जज्बाती जज्बाती क्यों होना जज्बाती छोरे स्वाग वाले छोरियां है नखराती नखरे दिखाती एक बस यही बात बोले रिपीट पे हम जैसा कोई कहा बेथलपुर माँ सुन ले ओ छोरियां झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमरियार तारी कमरिया कमरियार तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर माँ बाबो बागो ने मारो सूठो सोनी दो जागो जवान लाल कमरियार लाल कमरिया कमरिया लाल कमरिया
Wow, that was yes, give them a huge round of applause.
It's time for another dance number.
For that, I call upon my friends of 9th Chara for another captivating
Performance.
हजारे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे और लाए अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई तेरी टाई टाई
Girl, you're my chamacachalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my chamacachalo. Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamacachalo. Kaisa sharmana aaja nach ke dikha de. Aa meri hole aaja pari da gira de. Aa meri लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
तुझे जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटदी ना तो सोनी वे मैं फेड अप हो गई हूं मुंडिया सुन के तेरे दुखने वे मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला 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 ओ मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े ते मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े ते जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े ते
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर
मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला काला चश्मा ए काला चश्मा ओ काला 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 काला
चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े पे काला चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े पे काला चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े पे
చూస్తావుగా ఈ గాలి ఆడించే ఆట
రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాల్లో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాల్లో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా చేయకుండా చూసే దూరంగా మర్యాద పోకుండా తిరిగొచ్చే వేగా గట్ట నడిచి వచ్చి గేటులన్నీ దాటుకొస్తే ఇట్ట దడలు పుట్టి దమ్ముతమారే స్లీవ్ మడత పట్టి కాలరగా రేసుకొస్తూ చూలు విదిలిస్తే జుమ్ము జుమ్మారే మరణం ఆసు మరణం రఫ్ఫు తరుణం అతడి పేరే మనకు శరణం ఆసు మరణం రఫ్ఫు తరుణం స్టెప్పులేసే కిరణం రచ్చాడుకోగా వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా చేయకుండా చూసే దూరంగా మర్యాద పోకుండా తిరిగొచ్చే వేగా
ఎవడు పైన ఎవడు కింద ఎల్ల మనుషులు ఒకటే రబాసు ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని ఆదరించు తల మీదెత్తుకొని చూస్తాది ఊరు
గట్ట నడిచి వచ్చి గేటులన్నీ దాటుకొస్తే ఇట్ట దడలు పుట్టి దమ్ముతమారే స్లీవ్ మడత పెట్టి కాలరగా రేసుకొస్తూ చూలు విదిలిస్తే జుమ్ము జుమ్మారే మరణం ఆసు మరణం రఫ్ఫు తరుణం అతడి పేరే మనకు శరణం ఆసు మరణం రఫ్ఫు తరుణం స్టెప్పులేసే కిరణం రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాల్లో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా చేయకుండా చూసే దూరంగా మర్యాద పోకుండా తిరిగొచ్చే వేగా మరణం ఆసు మరణం రఫ్ఫు తరుణం అతడి పేరే మనకు శరణం ఆసు మరణం రఫ్ఫు తరుణం స్టెప్పులేసే కిరణం మరణం
దుఃఖములు కలిగినప్పుడు దిగులు చెందని వాడును సుఖములు కలిగినప్పుడు స్పృహ లేనివాడును రాగము భయము క్రోధము పోయినవాడును స్థితప్రజ్ఞుడని చెప్పము
ఎగిసి పడే ఒత్తరి ఇద్దరి ఎదురి పడే హోరు
Next, to make this evening more memorable, I invite our friends of 9 Church Road with an riveting dance performance. Please give them a huge round of applause.
நாடின் நன்மகனே பொன்மகனே முத்தாயவனே இன்னும் சூரியனும் சந்திரனும் முன்னாயவனே காலம் காத்து வச்ச ரட்சகனே சிம்ஹாரகனே அண்ணன் நீசவச்சோராட்ட புலி இதயம் முன்னோருக்கும் பிள்ளையாபத்து ரத்தச்சோரா கொண்டு ஜூசடித்து சோடா சம்பத்து நுடி மதையானின் நெருப்பிடும் கருத்து இவனை படச்சுட்ட கடவுளுக்கு பத்து Illuminati, 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 Illuminati,
భూమిపై ఉన్నానా ఏదో వింత రాగమే విన్నానా వేరే కొత్త భూమిపై ఉన్నానా ఏదో వింత రాగమే విన్నానా పలికే పాలకూరతో కులికే పూల కొమ్మతో కసిరే వెన్నెలమ్మతో స్నేహం చేసా ఎగిరే పాల వెళ్ళితో నడిచే గాజు బొమ్మతో పొందం ముందు జన్మదా ఏమో బహుశా హైనా 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 ఇక ఏదేమైనా మీతో చిందులు వేయనా వేయనా హైనా 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 కలకాలం మీతో కాలక్షేపం చేయనా చేయనా think I caught the feels this summer. And you're one of a kind, no other. Be my sweetie, be my sugar. Had enough as a one-side lover. I think I caught the feels this summer. And you're one of a kind, no other. Be my sweetie, be my sugar. Had enough as a one-side lover.
बीट मार चल रहा बाबा
DJ Praveen PG Vishnu Remix. Praveen Vishnu. Praveen Vishnu.
These guys literally set the stage on fire. Now to cool it down, let me invite the students of 9th Brahma here with...
Please give them a huge round of applause.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। सच करके मेरे सपने सच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल मेरा क्यों स्क्रैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे।
Gentlemen, welcome to tonight's one more spectacular dance performance. We celebrate art and elegance of dance. Now let's invite students of... bro. Now please put your hands together for our talented students of 9th VAS as they take you on a journey through the world of dance.
Please welcome them with an applause.
మనసు పెట్టి వచ్చిండే మడత పెట్ట వచ్చిండే సుట్టం వచ్చిండే ఆటకు చిండే నాటు బిడ్డే వచ్చిండే వేట కథై వచ్చిండే వేటకొచ్చిండే
Ruben నా మీదే నా కోపం అందనన్న ఆకాశానికి ఎంత కలియగబడతా ఎవరికెవరు అయినోళ్ళంటూ ఉన్నా గాని లేరే ఏ బావి వరస పేరు పిలుపు అన్ని నోటి చివర విసుగు పుట్టి ఇంకిపోయే కళ్ళల్లో కన్నీరే ఎటు తిరిగి చూడు మనకి మనమే మన్నెన్నో నిల్లవరే
चल 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 चोरी है तो चांदनी गल 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 घुंघरू वाली चोरी चल 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 चोरी है तो चांदनी गल 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 घुंघरू वाली चोरी रंग रंग चोली वाली रंगुला रंगेली आड़ी जिल जिल पैसे वाली आईने वाली ओड़ी रंग रंग चोली वाली रंगुला रंगेली आड़ी जिल जिल पैसे वाली आईने वाली ओड़ी मूడు పచ్చ బొట్ల బొమ్మ ముద్దుల గుమ్మ లాయి 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 రే లంబాడి బొమ్మ మూడు పచ్చ బొట్ల బొమ్మ ముద్దుల గుమ్మ లాయి 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 రే లంబాడి బొమ్మ జిల్లు జిల్లు ఊగుతున్నారు రాకుకమ్మ తెల్ల తెల్ల కడియాల కమ్మని గుమ్మ సిల్లు సిల్లు ఊగుతున్నారు రాకుకమ్మ తెల్ల తెల్ల కడియాల కమ్మని బొమ్మ
Please give them a huge round of applause.
Finally, we have come to end of this program.
Dear seniors, you will be gone from the school premises but not from our hearts.
It's time for vote of thanks.
For that, I call upon my friends Vignata and Haripriya.
Until we meet,
This is Saharsha.
this is Varshini signing off. Adios amigos.
Honorable Chairman Sir, Directors, Principals and all teaching and non-teaching staff and my dear friends.
Today, I stand before you all to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who has made this event memorable and enriching experience.
First and foremost, we would like to thank our most beloved Chairman Sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu for his unmatchable presence and blessings.
We could like to thank our incredible directors Prasunna ma'am, Vinod Rao sir, Anukar Rao sir, Hanmant Rao sir for their time and support.
We would like to thank the Honorable Campus Head Principal Balaji sir for relentless support, motivation. Also, I would like to thank PLG Principal Kavita Prasad ma'am for her time. We would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our presiding committee Rito Joseph sir,
Sai Kiran sir,
Gate Pass Committee Prabhakar Reddy sir,
Amlok Singh sir,
Arrangements of Belongings, Needs and Human Resources Committee AO Kiran sir,
AO Ali sir,
NCC Ramesh sir,
NCC Prashant sir,
Stage Decoration Committee Kavita madam,
Anita Rani madam,
Alekhya madam,
with the help of Chiranjeevi sir,
Nawaz sir and House Vice Captain Girls.
Audio Visual Arrangements team, Mahesh sir,
and Shravan sir with the team, Light Lamping and Prayer Committee, Kavita madam,
Anita Rani madam and 9 students, Vice Captain Girls,
Stage Clearance Committee, Mallesham sir,
Anjibabu sir,
and welcoming the 10th students and the guest by the 9th class students, Tiwari sir,
Murthy sir,
Srinivas sir,
Shadula sir,
Devinder sir,
Anjibabu sir,
Alekhya madam,
Zaveria madam,
and Balaswati madam. Food and arrangements, Tiwari sir,
Kavita madam,
Madhuri ma'am,
Sunanda ma'am,
Mallesham sir,
Anjibabu sir,
and Ritto sir,
and the volunteers.
Iftar Party Committee, Tawfiq Sir,
Shadula Sir,
Nazim Sir,
Ali Sir.
Press and Media Committee, Prabhakar Reddy Sir. Next, we would like to thank the guests of today's evening event, our seniors, for making this event unforgettable.
Finally, I could like to thank each and everyone who directly or indirectly contributed to the resounding success of this program.
Dear seniors, as you move on to the new adventures, no doubt you will be deeply missed, but never forgotten until we meet in the other side of the globe. This is Vigyata.
This is Haripriya.
We bid you farewell.
Good night. God bless. Take care.